Year 5, welcome back to today's video. I just wanted to quickly mention TC Rockstars and just say a big well done to those of you that are completing your weekly sessions because they're really important. However, I have had a little look and only about half of Year 5 are doing it so far. I've checked for my class and Jupiter and Neptune classes as well. So just a reminder, do keep doing your 10 sessions a week. It's only 10 minutes because they are really important to maintain your fluency and your speed with your times tables. Okay, without further ado, on to today's maths. So we're still focusing on multiplication and division, specifically division. This presentation is called Cheeky Monkey Mastery, and hopefully by the end you'll be able to explain and predict answers to short division calculations. You'll be able to set your division calculations out correctly, start at the left and work towards the right, write your remainder in the correct place, explain patterns in your calculations, and use your knowledge of division to predict the answers to calculations. Banana maths. Multiply the 3 digits on the bananas together to work out the number of bananas swiped by each monkey. So this is a little starter activity for you, and in a moment I'm going to ask you to pause the video. So multiply them together. So for example, 3 times 2 times 4 equals 24. So the first one, you'll go 4 times 5 times 3, then 5 times 6 times 2, and so on. Which is the greediest monkey? So pause the video here and work that out. How did you do? Hopefully you got that number 7 is the greediest monkey because 6 times 8 times 4 is 192. Short division. Short division is a formal written method for division. So just a reminder of what we looked at yesterday, we've got our dividend, which is the number that is being divided, our divisor, which is what it's being divided by, our quotient, which is the answer and the number of equal parts, and our remainders if there are any. When it is set out, it looks like a bus stop, so you might have heard it called the bus stop method, and I know my class has, and I imagine that Neptune and Jupiter classes would have as well. When calculating short division, we start at the left and work towards the right. This is different from written methods for addition, subtraction and multiplication where we work right to left. Practice. Have a go at solving these calculations. Think about the method you are going to use. So we've got 2,655 divided by 5, 2,655 divided by 10 and 2,655 divided by 2. So have a think about those methods because short division might not always be the best method to use. Pause the video here and have a go at those. How did you do? Let's have a little look at the answers. 2,655 divided by 5 equals 531, and you should have used the short division method for that one. Next, 2,655 divided by 10 equals 265.5 or 265 remainder 5. And remember, when we divide by 10, we move each digit one place to the right as you're making the whole number 10 times smaller. And lastly, 2,655 divided by 2, and if you remember from last week, they've used the partition, calculate and recombine method. So they've done 2,000 divided by 2 equals 1,000, 600 divided by 2 equals 300, 50 divided by 2 equals 25, and 5 divided by 2 equals 2, remainder 1. So the answer is 1,327, remainder 1. Well done if you got all those correct. Greedy monkey magic. Find the answers to these calculations using short division. How many bananas will each monkey get on Monday and Tuesday? So we've got 3,762 divided by 3 on Monday, and on Tuesday we've got 3,765 divided by 3. The answer to the first calculation we can see is 1,254, and the answer to the second one is 1,255. What do you notice about these two calculations, and can you explain why this is? There are 3 more bananas on Tuesday, which means the monkeys get 1 more each, because if you look, there are 3,762 bananas on Monday and 3,765 on Tuesday, so that's 3 more. On Wednesday, there were 3,759 bananas. Can you work out how many bananas each monkey would get without doing the short division calculation? 3,759 is exactly 3 less than 3,762. So each monkey would get 1,253 bananas because they would all get exactly 1 less banana than on Monday. And the reason the number 3 is significant is because we are dividing by 3. On Thursday, the monkeys have 4,532 bananas to share between them. How many do they get each? So they would have 1,510 with 2 bananas left over. That's when we're dividing it by 3. What if they had 4,533 bananas, 4,536 bananas, and 4,530 bananas? So can you use what we've just learnt with the adjusting method to work out the answers to those? Pause the video here and have a go. How did you get on? Let's check the answers. So, if they had 4,533, they'd have exactly 1,511 each. 4,536, they'd have exactly 1,512 each. And the last one, they'd have 1,510 each. Think about how you worked out the answers. Did you use short division, or did you look for related calculations and predict the answers? So hopefully that's given you a bit of a better idea of how to do your maths activities for today. So that was today's maths. As always, answers will be down in the description box below, along with the link to find the work and the schools and my Twitter accounts as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!